I feel very much Hidden Figures. That's what I'm feeling right now. I'm feeling very much like Hidden Figures. So, but she cute. She is cute though. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chicha. If you're new here, I make hair videos, lifestyle content, vlogs, all that stuff. So today we are going to be showcasing this gorgeous wig here and just kind of doing my makeup, as you guys can see here. She's very much feeling like the Hidden Figures cast right now. I'm not even gonna front, but I like it. It's a vibe. It is definitely a vibe. I love it. So yeah, if you guys want to see everything that I have to say, just keep watching. Alright, so I'm not really sure what makeup look I'm looking for. I kind of want to test out my new Naked Wild West palette. I don't know if it's new or if it's just new to me. But then I also have the Teddy Bear palette by Too Faced. And of course, if you guys watched my haul video or vlog a few weeks ago, I got the Year Golden palette from ColourPop. And I've been using this here recently, but I'm just kind of like, I want to do something. So I'm thinking I'm going to pull out Wild West. And so this is what she looks like. So I don't want to like blind y'all with a mirror, so that's why I did that. I think I'm going to do this palette and maybe... No, I'm just going to try this one. We're going to see if we can make just this palette work without anything else. So I like to do my face first. That's just how I am. I'm gonna start with primers and then go into foundation, and then let's get started.
Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready?
Okay, so between my foundation and my primer, I'm actually going to put on some powder. This is a Too Faced Peach Perfect. I think they've discontinued this. I need to find something to replace it with because I have this one and I have one more once I found out that it was going on sale. But once those are gone, like, baby, I'm going to need something else. So I put this on because during the winter, scratch that, during the summer, it is super humid here in the South, and I have oily skin, so this kind of helps to set, lock, and make my makeup stay in place all day. And if I'm looking kind of off center, it's because I'm using my viewfinder as a mirror. So there's that. But I like to put this in the places where my pores are to kind of help smooth that area out.
Honest, I don't know.
A hybrid of 3 different ones that all are say long lasting. There's the NARS Soft Matte Cream, and then there is the y'all, my words are deserting me. There is the L'Oreal 24-Hour Fresh Wear, and then the Maybelline Fit Me. And I'll have the colors linked down below. These are my summer shades. So I spent a lot of time in the sun this summer so far. Well, I can't say so far because it's already August. So I spent a lot of time in the sun, mainly in the pool with Miles, and so because of that, my foundation shades are darker than usual, but that's fine. Apply to my face. Sometimes, depending on how I feel, I will color or like use a concealer to cover up my dark marks first, but I did not do that today just because I'm already putting on foundation, and if I feel like I need more, I'll just go into the area specifically.
Single thing that I haven't done to make you know.
I created with this trio of foundations, but I'm gonna have to go back and get it again, but in my winter shades, because she look good. Although I don't know if it'll translate well in the winter because I tend to be dry in the winter and oily in the summer. It's really weird. Alright, so next I'm gonna go in with concealers. I have been favoring this one here. It's the e.l.f. Flawless Brightening. This one is kind of light for me considering that I got it for my winter shade, or when I was like transitioning, so it's a little light, but we make her work.
Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like.
Because it's pretty boring, so I'm just gonna do my under eyes, blush, concealer, or blush, contour, highlight, brows, and then we'll jump into makeup. I'm just gonna, you know, not talk to y'all.
Chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, nah.
Palette, and I'm not really sure what I'm thinking. I'm pretty sure I'm going to be using Ghost Town and Whiskey, these two here, and maybe Hold 'Em Up. Let me see, what is Hold 'Em Up looking like? It's a little too gold for what I'm doing today. Alright, so I'm not really a fan of either of the shimmers for today's project, so I might end up finding something else, but I'm going to start with Ghost Town and just put that in my crease.
I don't know what I could say to convince you to hang around.
Whiskey, it's a little bit darker, just to give a little bit more depth to the outer corner.
When you don't have to, there's so much
I'm gonna go back into Whiskey and drag that along my lash line.
I'll keep it to myself, 'cause you
Alright,
don't
so
listen.
I got the wig cap on. So this is the wig. She is a 16-inch body wave wig, and I did actually wave it myself. I'm gonna go back in and wave it again because the curls have fallen out. But she's got bangs. I did end up cutting these because they were hanging like down here on me, and child, it was just not working for me. So on the inside you get two clips. There's one here and then there's one here. And then it also has these adjustables so that you can make the wig smaller, which for me, I have learned in purchasing wigs and U-parts that I probably have a tinier head than most people because the wigs never fit. Like, even my my headband wigs, they'll fit for like the first couple weeks, but then the band starts to get loose. And so now I have to like knot it and stuff. It's crazy. But that's why I tend to stick with regular extensions, but I still love a good wig. And I'm excited to try this bang one. Like I said, I tried it on just once, but I did not finesse it. So we're going to go ahead and put her on. Lord, I'm going to get makeup all on her. Okay. And right now I feel like I'm looking like somebody's Sunday school teacher. Alright guys, so I'm going to just kind of like pull my wig out right there, because child, she was looking a little bit like she was from the 1960s. It might also be this headband choice, but I like her. I like her. So what I'm going to do now is just kind of curl my hair, which I don't know if you guys can see, but I did like wand it when I first got it to see what that would do, because the waves that came in it I was not a fan of, so I did try to straighten those out. And then I was like, let me just try wanding it, because I feel like wanding curls would look a lot better in her. So if you guys can see that. And I'm just doing big chunky pieces, because I just kind of want this hair to have a wave, but not the wave that it had. Like, that wave was cute, but this wave is better.
But still you got me missing you. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting.
Amazon. I'm gonna put all the information right up here for you guys to check it out, and I also leave the link down below for you guys if you're interested in purchasing her. Thank you so much for them for sending me this wig to review. She is a vibe. She's a vibe. Like, I'm a whole vibe right now, you guys.